Hello everybody, my name is Arin and today I am going to teach you Python step by step. So if we will talk about the introduction of Python, Python is a programming language it is a language with a set of rules and instructions that we write in a command computer. It is easier as we compare to Java, JavaScript, C++, and C. It can be used in a simple computer also. If you talk about the history of the Python, it was developed by the Van Rossum at National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. It was named after a BBC TV series called Monty's Python Flying Circus. And there are many versions of Python. If we talk about the introduction and feature of Python, it is interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. It is simple and easy to learn. It is free and open source, supports multi-language, multi-programming paradigms. It is portable, simple rules and syntaxes, and it is very easy to learn. So here you can see that how to install Python. You have to go to this link and then download the Python. I will teach you. Uh, I will teach you in the next tutorial. If you want it, just comment below. So in Python there are many elements like variables, keywords, and identifiers. In variables, we can write like uh, mi underscore name. Here you can read reserved memory location for storing values. A variable can have a short name like x and y, or a more described name like age, name, or var underscore name. Keyword reserved word that already have a predefined meaning. For example, that we can use long. These are keywords and identifiers. For example, uh, there are function classes and other modules. Name given to entities like class, function, variables, etc. It help in differentiate one entity from other. So here you can see the data types in Python. We differentiate the data types into standard and compound. In standard, they are numeric, string, and in compound, they are tuples, lists, dictionaries, sets. And we will talk about it later. In numeric, there is integer, float. Float is like point version. For example, 0. 0.1, 0.2, and complex version. So here are the operators. You can see plus, minus, multiply. There are many type of operators like arithmetic, rational, assignment, logical, bitwise, membership, and entity. Here you can read it. So if we have to write a coding, uh, if you think that if that there was not Python, then we have to write the code in binary numbers. Here you can read it. A number system is a way to represent a number in the computer architecture. Binary number system. According to the mathematics, a binary number is defined as a number that is expressed in a binary system or base two numeral base of two numeral systems. It describes numeric values by two separate symbols, basically 1 and 0. A single binary digit is called a bit. The binary number below has 6 bits. So I will teach you that if you want to write 1, then you will write 0001. If you want to write 2, then you will write 0010, 3 0011, 4 0100. So we will only use 1 and 0 to express it in binary values. Now if we will talk about the operators in Python, so here you can see in Python bitwise operators are used to perform bitwise calculations on integer. The integers are first converted into binary and then operations are performed on bit by bit. Hence the name of bitwise operators. Then the result is returned in decimal format. Note, Python bitwise operator work only on integers. This is important. Now there is a problem. Write a program to find the area and perimeter of a radius r. So now I am on my ideally now our project was to write a Python program to find the area and perimeter of a circle of radius r. So for this, first we will ask the input that what is a radius. So for this, I will ask the user r is equal to. We can also write integer, but I will use float. Float is for that the user can input. That the user can input a number which is in point value. Float input enter the radius of circle. So we will make a variable named Parry, which is perimeter of the circle. So the if you remember the formula for the perimeter of the circle, which is 2 pi r. So we will write 2 into pi is 3.14 into r. Yes. Now you can see that if for area I will write area pi r square. So r 3.14 into r pi r square, and now we have to just print it. Print area of given circle is area, and print is for printing the output, and the print perimeter of given circle is Parry. Let's see it work or not. Let's run it. You have to just click on run and then run module. Yes, not successful radius. I put 5 radius, and yes, it is working. Area of given circle is 78.5 and the perimeter is 31.40. Yes, it's correct. So this was our project, and now we will continue our project from the next videos. Please subscribe our video, and we will put more videos of Python.